Let me tell you your fortune.
Come, I won't wait long. I promise you, I'll tell the truth.
Everything you need to know right here. You have 3 days to live.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra. You can go ahead and call your girl T. Here on my channel, you'll find hair and makeup tutorials, DIY projects, baby vlogs, and meal prepping ideas. If you like all these things and more, please take the time to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that bell notification down below. Guys, I just had to pull out another individual Halloween look. I'm just like, I wanted to do something really simple but super dramatic and able to still get an effective Halloween look. I was really able to do this in like just no time, I feel. You really just need like 3 colors. I happened to get this outfit from literally like the Goodwill like 4 years ago, and like you cannot keep me out of it. I'm gonna wear it every year. You know, I wanted to go like glam and just like a little dead but like not fully dead because that's not what we're here for. It's actually Halloween night, so I'm really excited. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into this look. Okay guys, so we're going to jump into this. I'm going to use the James Charles palette, the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and the Whatever palette by ColourPop. So, also there's a storm going on outside, like that's very festive for Halloween, but like if you hear the tree scraping, that's not a prop, that's me in real life danger out here. So as of right now, I have the base of my face done. I wanted to at least do that because I felt like it was going to take me a little bit longer to do all of the makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the eye look. I actually have a lot of colors that I'm trying to incorporate. So you see this shirt, it's maroon, burgundy, and gold. The only crystal ball I could find was in purple. And then I also just want to incorporate this blue as well. I figure these are all really dark, rich tones, so it should be doable. First 2 colors I'm going to start with are these 2 purples here. I'm just going to start going backwards and forwards, and that's going to be kind of like my transition color slash, you know, just the start of this all. I think this look is going to be so fun. I'm going to bring this color really far out as well, because I'm actually going to end up brushing this like all the way out, but we're going to work our way to that. I'm also so sorry about the weather. It's just like so loud. It's been storming literally the entire day. Like they canceled a lot of the trick-or-treating because the weather is just so bad, and they're gonna like save it for the weekend. It's a little spooky out here, guys. Okay, so that's a good base for me. I'm gonna take Miss Brightside here, and I used this in my last video, my Libra video, and I just obsessed. I'm going to start kind of putting this in the crease, just to get some dimension, because we needs it. And I'm not going in the outer at all really right now, just the crease. Okay, I'm feeling that, with this super duper dark blue called Chi. And I'm just going to pack that on my lid. Oh my god, I'm already obsessed. I'm already obsessed with this whole thing. I was really trying to do a very simple look that anyone can do. In terms of the eye look, you know? The actual makeup is like, I feel like so easy. So going back in with this original first 2 purples here, I'm just really going to start to build out this area. And go right in with that cheese, so that blue. And kind of just follow outways. Alright, in that same order, I'm going to literally do the under eye. But I'm going to leave like this inner area kind of open. Going with that darker Miss Brightside. Take that blue, blending like right here, and then out this way. Cute. I'm loving the eyes. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do for the eyes. I have other stuff I want to do with my actual face. I am gonna put on a little bit of liner because y'all know me. What's an eye look without liner? We don't even know. I actually want to add just like a tad bit more intensity underneath my eye. Just want to take this down like even further. You know, cover up them bags, girl. Using that Miss Brightside, I'm going to start to contour my nose. Just a little bit of that blue. I'm just going to put a little bit here. I just like have a naturally crooked nose and I'd be struggling to make it look less crooked. I'm still like kind of winging this, guys, so I think I'm gonna add some contour. Since I'm doing like a burgundy color on the lips, I'm gonna just a little contour. Alright, I'm gonna take the color Duh. It's really like pressed loose glitter. I'm obsessed with it. Oh my god. So pretty. Like. Alright, now with a liquid liner pencil, I'm gonna add just like little veins. Little baby veiny veins. These aren't like the best veins ever, but take a sponge and just kind of okay, with a super light brush, fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with this purple here. Take that up, take that over towards the nose, and up. Now I'm gonna take a little glitter. Now I'm using some crystal lashes. They are amazing. I have their glam pack, and honestly, look at these. I can fly away in every pair of these. All the way to wherever I need to go. New transportation. Alright, so I think I'm going to wear the most dramatic ones, which are here. Because what better time than for Halloween? Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed. Obsessed. I'm obsessed with these. So now I have these like rhinestones I just like want to use because rhinestones are still in, y'all. I think I'm going to use these ones here. No. Which blue matches the most? This one here. It's like a blue purple, like super sapphire. And then I'm going to go with this one because it kind of like likens the glitter. Okay, I'm going to take a little glue and... So in terms of this one, only one I'm gonna add of the other color is just right here. I'm feeling it. For the lips, I'm going to do this super dark vamp lip. Alright, this is a little experiment. So first I'm going to take some of that blue on my finger and kind of totally feeling this. Wow, this is bomb. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is work on the hands because I am taking a picture, and I'm just going to go between all of the colors that I used today and kind of just brush them along my fingers. So just with any old brush, I'm literally using this. I'm going to take that and kind of just... So sad that I have like a fresh set. Shout out to Alyssa because my nails are bomb. But I'm just going to start to kind of get gross on my hands on random fingers. So like for here, I'm only going to do 3 like blue. And I'm literally just going to go in with that Miss Bright side and kind of just swirl this all around. Okay, I have like one hand done. I'm just going to do the same exact thing to my other hand. Guys, what do you think? So excited. I just had a blast doing this in general. I just feel like myself, like, let me seduce you into me telling you when you're gonna die. I'm like, hey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that I was able to give you some last minute Halloween weekend looks because I know everyone's celebrating through the weekend. I got one more Halloween look for you if you want to see that as well, and then I just have some makeup playlists. I always like to throw them out there in case you just want to watch those. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.